Okay, this video will show you our new wagon. This one with the bricks is made of plastic. And here is a backpack, so you can put some drinkings if you have a picnic. You could put it inside. All right. And this wheel made of PVC is 8 inches. Look at the handle. It's a retractable handle. Here is a lock. You can lock it. Okay, unlock. Yeah, here's the brake. So won't move. Now we will put on the removable canopy. Show you how to put on the canopy. Here, stick. Just to pull up. If you go to the safe side, you can keep the food under the canopy, make it fit. It's in a very easy way. All right.